Hey guys, welcome back. Just want to show you this that I made. It's beautiful. The waves are going. Even have the family name up top. And I did that with a Cricut. So I just want to show you the back of it. We always look at the front of things. So see the back, I did use frog tape, which is the best. It works very well, so thumbs up for that. I do use a heat gun in between just to loosen it up a little bit because I would like it to come off very nicely on the edges. And I'm pulling gently, even though this is fast forward a little bit. Pull gently. I used the heat gun a number of times to pull it out. I thought at one point I was gonna have to use the little, I lost my train of thought, a little razor to help the edges, but it started coming out very nicely. And I don't have, you can see right here that there's not even a lot of seepage. So this frog tape I put down and pressed down and pressed down. I went over pushing it down, but it works so well. And I'm almost done here. And it's looking really good. So like I said, I did have to use the heat gun a couple times throughout the whole process just to make sure it comes out nice and neat. And I had a little pieces that stuck as well, but I just went back later and kind of cut them out with a little razor blade. And that's what works out pretty good. Yeah, it looks so pretty. I love it. And I actually put that paper underneath so I can keep twisting it around without it trying to adhere to the glass that was underneath it. Look at that. Oh, all done. Look at the edges. It looks beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Might have to sand down a little couple areas, but that's okay. Came out very nice. And ultimately the finished look is going to be with a starfish just like that, which I'm going to use a little bit of a glue gun to put that up. All done.